This is my Sunset Rouge look. I first did a neon red peekaboo on the next section, then I separate a triangle on the top, and I create a multi-tone color effect underneath, starting with poppy red, carnation pink on the middles, and peach on the ends to create a gradient effect. To finish, I apply a neon red on the triangle section. I choose directions because I feel identified with the philosophy and the inclusivity of the brand, and the products always give me the best results.